Hi, it's Lauren Folks Adams. It is a typical weekend at our house, and we are talking about kids' chores. So we have a 4 and a 7-year-old, and mommy makes them take a laundry basket to their room and get their own dirty clothes and bring it downstairs and directly to the laundry room. So you'll see here, Julian, our youngest, 4 years old, is bringing his laundry hamper to the laundry room for mommy. So Julian is going to put up his clothes, which is also part of his chores, which when he finishes, he'll get a coin. So Julian, can you go put this up in the bathroom, please? Wait, this too, Ju.
No.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, there are your undies. Here are your socks. And it looks like we're missing one sock, so just put that in there. It was underneath your bed? Okay, no. That one's dirty. So put the clean one in there, and we'll put the dirty one in the dirty hamper, okay? That's super silly. Super silly, you silly Millie. Okay, what's next?
Pants, shorts.
Shorts? Okay, open your shorts drawer. Pants? Okay, here's pants.
No, can you hold them for me?
Oh yeah, you got to open the drawer. Good job remembering what drawer it is, Julian. And now we're all done. Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at guaranteeMadeServices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.
And sometimes you get them to unload the car too.